This project is supported in part by the National Foundation for the Arts and a grant from the Tamarack Foundation for the Arts. Welcome to Athena's Stained Glass. I'm Stellathena, and I will be your instructor. Stained glass artists do not stain or paint their glass. Glass is made in a factory. It's made of silica sand heated to over 1,000 degrees Fahrenheit. Additives make the molten sand turn different colors. The molten liquid is then rolled out into sheets of a uniform thickness, usually about 1/8 of an inch thick. Then it is cooled and cut into the various dimensions and then sold to vendors. Stained glass artists buy their glass, much like quilters buy fabric to make quilts. Stained glass art reminds me a lot of making quilts. Glass comes in all colors and textures and finishes, ranging from clear window glass to black opaque glass that let in little to no light. Looking glass mirror, as well as front surface mirror, are used in making kaleidoscopes, which I will also teach you how to make in another video. Find the links to my other videos below. Glass of uniform color is referred to as cathedral glass and lets in lots of colorful light. Opaque glass is more solid and lets in little or no light. A combination of clear and cathedral or clear and opaque is called wispy. Different combinations of colored opaque glass is called streaky. There are lots of different combinations of colors, textures, and finishes. Certain types of glass lend themselves to certain types of projects. For example, if you wanted a stained glass window that lets in lots of light, use cathedral glass. If you want a stained glass window that blocks strong light, use opaque glass. Opaque glass also lends itself well to making kaleidoscope tubes, while the cathedral glass is better for making the kaleidoscope image wheel. There is stained glass to excite any imagination. Find the glass and patterns that make your heart sing. Hesitate no longer. Join me. Let me teach you how to make your very first project using the Tiffany technique developed by Comfrey Tiffany in the 19th century. Watch the next video, Athena's Stained Glass for the Beginner. Lesson 1, Straight Cuts. We'll make a 9-patch quilt square pattern, gateway to making boxes and kaleidoscopes. Thank you for watching. I'll see you then.